Continuing with the question, can a machine ever truly be considered intelligent? In 1980, John Searle, an American philosopher, created a test to answer this question. That's right. Artificial intelligence is not a new concept, as it has been developed and tested throughout history. This test is called the Chinese room argument. Let's dive in. Imagine you know how to speak Mandarin, but your friend doesn't. Your friend enters a room filled with symbols and a rule book. The rule book states, when you see this symbol, answer with that symbol. You are outside the room, sending your friend a message in Mandarin. Your friend inside the room doesn't understand Mandarin, but follows the rule book. They look at the symbols, figure out the pattern, and respond accordingly. When you receive their response, you may think your friend understands Mandarin, but in reality, they're just following a set of rules without understanding the language. This test is intended to show that knowledge and intelligence are two very different things. When it comes to AI, a machine may not know Mandarin, but it knows how to recognize the pattern and answer with a message. Perhaps this analogy with Mandarin is not part of your daily routine, but interacting with AI virtual assistants like Siri might be. Who hasn't asked Siri to tell a joke or share a story, right? At the end of the day, these systems convert our language into something they can recognize. They're constantly searching for matches in their databases, but they don't truly comprehend our language. Let's look at another example of this. Imagine you're not feeling well and you arrive at a doctor's office for a visit. You'll go through a series of questions asked by nurses. How long have you been feeling like this? What is your pain like on a scale from 0 to 10? They'd check your vital signs, and then when you finally see the doctor, you'd repeat much of the same information. It's a repetitive process that takes up time and resources. So understanding the difference between knowledge and intelligence can help us make these processes more efficient. Now imagine a second situation. Upon arriving at the doctor's office, an AI system asks all these questions. It swiftly analyzes your responses, takes your vital signs, and any other relevant information. By the time you meet with the doctor, the system has already generated a preliminary diagnosis based on the patterns it identified. It streamlines the process, allowing the doctor to address your needs more efficiently. This system operates intelligently by identifying patterns within the collected data, thereby accelerating the diagnosis and treatment process. As we've seen, knowledge and intelligence, while interconnected, are fundamentally different. Knowledge is about understanding the world around us, while intelligence is about applying that knowledge in new and innovative ways. But what fuels this programming? What allows AI to recognize patterns, make predictions, and learn from past experiences? The answer is data.